Yeah, viewers, your subscriber, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know New Link production, there, people. And people, this one is a breaking news. And it's a breaking news for the Easter and for many Jamaican family right now. Because a lot of them is very surprised. And a lot of them know what was happening or know what was coming. Well, people, for the Easter, yesterday, over 66 deported. You see me? 66 deportees have landed in Jamaica from the United States of America. And that including 59 men and 7 women people. And me I tell you, say, from all age group, you have age group in there, all 75 years old. Because even a 75-year-old man say, 50 years now, him not come Jamaica. Imagine now, people. 50 years now, this man don't see the land of Jamaica naturally. And him say him happy to be home now because him serve a good time in a jail, in a prison over there. And them deport him yesterday. So, I don't know if the immigration system in the United States just a wait for say, right then, we're going to make us celebrate Easter with the family. We're just sending out. But people, over 66. Some of them say, yo, them not have no family. Them don't know where to turn to because sometimes, you know, people, some of the people who got Americans in, them feel like America is their home and they forgot about Jamaica. Them forgot about them families back home. And now, them end up get caught in something where them not involved in it and them end up, Uncle Sam send them back out of the country and them come back home now. Them don't know where to turn. You see me? So that's why New Link always say, you know, you see when people, when they get a chance or they go find they get a bus, don't forget. Yeah, that's a grandmother say, don't throw a stone behind you. Because now people, them come home and me I tell you, them are deported. Them now come home with a big suitcase. Them now come home with a barrel. You get what me I say? Only thing they come home with 2 little bag. And the bag can even call a scandal bag. But it's not really a scandal bag, people. Well, I don't wish bad for nobody. And I don't want to say bad happen to nobody, see? But all me can tell the virgins and the sisters them say, when you go foreign, please set up something on yard. Build up something on yard. You see me? All you know is a foreign in your life, foreign in your home. You get the green card, you get the paper. Still build something on yard because you don't know what can happen. Just remember, you know, you never born a Uncle Sam country. A Jamaica you're born, or you're born at that the Caribbean country. Because when you link attack, we represent for all of the Caribbean countries them. And we represent for the world worldwide. Same way, it's globalized. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, it's sad to see it, but some of them happy, as me I tell you, them a hug, them a greet them family. You see me? As you can sit on the cover photo there, a lot of them really happy, but some of them not happy none at all. You see me? Because, yo, just imagine people, see? All your life, see? You're in America. You raised up America, you grew up America, and it's so sad when things so bad and things happen. Maybe you get caught in some domestic affair, you get caught in a drugs, you get caught in a gun activity, or you get framed too. Because a lot of man, you know, or woman, they will get framed said way because them can go foreign and involved in a sort of relationship. And because things not going so good in a relationship, them decide say them a go let loose or set themselves free. But the partner who them want let loose from and set free from, them not agree with that. And at the end, them fuck up things. You see me? Them just turn up things around upon them. Give them name to immigration. Tell lie upon them and them end up get caught and end up get deported. So a lot of time people say deported and them things say are drugs them do or them do gun activity or them do something with enough to do. It's just fuck them get fucked up. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, it is really sad upon a real level. It is really sad for know say, yo boy, in Easter, yo, 66. And people sometimes, you know, a lot of these deportees who come at Jamaica, you know, people, them come get trouble, you know. Me I tell you that I'm not afraid to talk New Link production. I tell you this. A lot of the deportees sometimes when them come home, them give serious trouble. You see me? They mix up in some things. Sometimes them come home, them not have no job. And the thing is, some of them lazy. Because them used to this American lifestyle where them have this thing easy. Some of them not used to the hard work, them not want to work. So some of them not go work. Them want the easy money come easy way and them are going to go out for do it. While some of them come same way and them turn crackhead. Them get crazy. Because when them come to Jamaica and them go on this lifestyle and them miss out on the American lifestyle, it just mash up them head. Zin? So, on a real level again, people, I think it's very good, you know. See, we don't say Jamaica violence and thing turn up down there or thing. But as New Link production I tell you, look here. When you're there America, or you're England, or you're Canada, wherever you're there in the world, once you're there in your country, please return to your country. Even every 2 years, go there for even 1 week. See me? and just kind of get in with your country. You understand? Don't go too long for 10, 15, 20 years without your country and last for your country. Get this thing, because I tell you, anything can happen when you're there, Uncle Sam country. Any game can play, viewers and subscribers. So you always have to prepare yourself for that game. They always have a mind frame. Say, don't you see me? But they are foreign, see? I may never set my head say foreign. Any day they are foreign, I just expect say, yo, tomorrow I can go yard, see? Anything can happen because I never born a foreign. See? So all of the viewers and subscribers, them new link I say, we want the best phone, you know. And them deport here. Yo, we're sorry for no son to get deport done. But on a real level, we just hope you go at Jamaica. You can, you understand, if you not no skill, go back on school, get a little trade or thing, and find a little job, working back on yourself, because any game can play. You see me? Any game can play, which opportunity can come on the way again. You see me? Some people say opportunity come once, but myself for people, opportunity come even 10 times. You see me? It's just all about luck sometimes. So only just go them on and just build up on yourself. Keep a steady mind frame. You understand? Don't get overthink about the situation in the past and make it drive on crazy, because some people them think about what happened in the past and make it hit them head. But no, don't just pre the life now. It's a new dimension for now. Pre going focus and going upon a new level, and the mistake you making in the past or things that happen to you in the past, just look back upon it and continue upon a good journey. You see me? And just stay blessed. And the whole in production there, we not attack. We just give the message another one. Yeah. So all of my viewers, them, all of my subscribers, all over the world, big up on yourself when you don't know New Link Production said this. And we also people, thanks much. 10,000 going strong. Big up on yourself, New Link Production, up and running. Don't know the thing go straight attack. Egyptian, Turks and Caicos, big up, don't know the thing go tonight, up and running.